It's about those two beautiful birds. Okay, two beautiful birds, and I hope you all have seen birds, different kinds of birds. And you know, birds, they are afraid of human beings. But there are some birds that love human beings. And so now this poem, please don't talk. Okay, please off your microphone. Yes, what? Page 11. Off your microphones, because when you talk, you know, it is distracting me. I cannot continue. Okay, okay. Off your microphones. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay, let's continue. Now we are going to talk about birds. And you know these birds, some birds, they are afraid of human beings because why? Human beings hurt them. But these days, many people, they came to know that hurting birds is not good. And so there are some birds, even in Mizoram, we see many different kinds of birds, isn't it? Different colors, different faces, they have different shapes of beaks, and their feathers and their shapes are all different. And so these birds are lovely. And we are going to talk about these two birds in this lesson, and it is about Jay and Robin. Okay. So these two birds, they are discussing, you know, discussing. They are talking to each other, like how you talk with your friends. Actually, birds don't talk, but we are going to learn how these two birds discuss. Oh, they are discussing. They are saying. One bird is saying, Robin is saying, think. And Jay also say, yes, think. Okay. And they are sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They are talking about people. Like that, the birds are talking about us, about human beings. And the bird is saying, think about people, the way they grow. But they don't have feather, you know, feather, mul. So the birds are laughing at the people, saying they don't have feather like we have. And they don't have feathers at all. They don't eat beetles. Okay, you know beetles? Hey, okay, patian korki kan tiam chi te ka. Huana te om chin okay. They are saying, they are laughing at the people, and they are saying, they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they have no wings to fly, and they don't like sitting on wires. Electric they don't like sitting on wires and on branches, and so they are laughing at people. They don't want to be people. They are happy that they are birds, okay? And Robin is saying, think. And even Jay said, think. And they are laughing and saying, oh, the people are so funny. Mishing ti yan ban nui zat clap. Clap one day low, mul one day velo. Beetles step on a velo. Tuan electric tree seen there on two and they are laughing at the people. So like that, the birds are also, they are talking to each other. They are talking about human beings, and they are laughing at the people and saying, oh, the people are so funny, and they are laughing, ha, 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 ha. Isn't it? When you talk about someone, do you laugh? Yes, we laugh at them, isn't it? And we make fun of them. So like that, these birds, you know, these birds, in this lesson we learn that we should be satisfied with what we are. Mani chanto kalung oi kakan zirani so he poi ma yan. He sava pani te po hi sava anni ka anlom meni mishing ni kan chak lo ren. Kay ni chu chang le oh sava ni la chu ta chon ka thlo ka te kan ti tro. Oh, I wish I was a bird. I will go to China. I will go to America. I'll fly to Himalaya mountains. Like that we think, isn't it? We are unlucky because we want to be like the birds. But these birds, they are happy with what they are. Ang santo kalung oy em. Nangi po tu tinay turing naya, be happy with that. Okay? Anu apa te in naya, inwam tak om na turte in naya, hangatakan lung oy tur. With whatever you have, whatever toys you have, you must be satisfied with that. Okay? Be happy with that. Chiante ta ang siya ka o no tur. Okay? Oh, my friend is having a new Barbie. Oh, my friend is having a new bicycle. Whatever you have, be satisfied with what you have, and you will be the luckiest person. Okay? And that will make you more happy. So be like the birds. Now we have learned about these two birds, how happy they are with each other and how satisfied they are. Okay? And so, okay, that is about the birds, Jay and Robin. Okay, now we know that there are different kinds of birds in the world. Can you see this picture? This is the picture of different kinds of birds, common birds. Okay, they are very common birds. Can you see them? They are sparrow. Look here. Sparrow, pigeon, crow, peacock. Can you see? I hope you can see. Kiwi, parrot, eagle, ostrich, and duck. Okay. These are the birds. Picture of the birds. And like that, I know you will be having different kinds of picture books of birds. And will you be able to write down, listen carefully, will you be able to write down the names of 20 birds in a piece of paper? I want you to write down names of 20 different birds' name. Okay? Savaming Shang som ni into to ka paper in law siya ka nga school kan dule huna ken rin. So you have many things to bring on the first day of school, isn't it? Now go to page number 12. Turn to page number 12. There are 3 questions that are very, very easy, isn't it? The first one is, name the 2 birds in the poem. What are the names of those 2 birds in the poem? Robin and Jay. Okay, Robin and Jay. Those are the names of those 2 birds. And that is question number 1. Question number 2. What are the 3 things that people cannot do? Okay. What are the 3 things that people can do? What are those 3 things? The birds are saying they can eat beetles. They can grow wings. And they can sit on wires and things. Those are the 3 things the birds are talking about people cannot do. So these are very easy. And here, talk time, let's skip this talk time. Team time, this also is a very interesting activity. And it's very easy to make this bird. Will you be able to make in a chart paper a bird? Draw your favorite bird on a sheet of paper, cut and color it. Will you be able to do this? If you can do thumbs up. Show me your thumbs. How many of you can cut and draw a bird and color and cut it and make a strip of cloth or paper? Paste the picture of the bird you have drawn on it. Savalem ka in draw nga mo. Tutu in kata nga. Atha tur ka in siyam nga. Chuan akai na tur ka kan siyam doon ni. chuan school kan lu hun huna kan classroom achunga han kan khaya nga sawa kha an thlok nuai mai don ni classroom chunga khan color kha in du in lo penga in thiam ang tiro in thiam don chuan show me your thumbs up in ti thei don chuan very good. I love you all. That is the work, those 2 works, okay, in this lesson. I'm going to give you only 2 works, but there is still time. You are going to go to the next page, but just keep waiting for me. The first one is in a sheet of paper. Names of 20 birds you will write. And you must write with pencil, with lovely handwriting. Give number 1, sparrow, 2, parrot, 3, kiwi, 4, crow. Whatever bird's name you know, you will write it. Okay? 20 birds' name. Sava ming som ni paper in law siakang. In shiat ngai law ming te khashiat tumula. In shiat sa ringat siak lawin. Sava ming thar te kha in law zong don ani. Google te khan in law zong nga alem nen te khan in law shiat tum don ni. That is your work. And the second work is to draw a bird. Color the bird. Cut it. Lekha khau deu heka in tiang ayang. Lekha puan pa ngaya chuanin kan khai hun ahan akwal de yang ati han anal don law ni. Lekha khau deu akhan in law draw. You will draw a bird. Any kind of bird you like. You will color it. You will make some eyes. You know button korkil te kha amit zona khan korkil lem te kha in law belanga kha amit le maron yang. And then you will keep it nicely, and when we come back to school you'll bring this. So in the previous lesson I told you to bring dry flour. Pangpar in le kapukara lo da ro khain ron keng bokanga chuan hemi lesson a chuan savalem kha in kat sa color sa khain ron keng bokang chung chu ina in lo ti turani. And you will write 20 names of 20 birds. Okay. Now let's go to page number 13. Here there is work for you to do. Write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. Page number 13, 1, 3. Look at your books. Look at your textbooks. You are going to write a sentence about birds using these words. Nest, water, chirp, ashram dan, savashram reading, chirp, fly, sky, wings. For example, in the first line, you can write like that, birds live in a nest. Or you can say, birds make nests in the trees. And they come down, they fly down near the pond to drink water. And the birds, they chirp when they are happy. And they fly in the sky. And they have wings to fly with. Whatever sentence you like, you can use these words. These words are for you that will help you to make the sentence. Indu dan in nest, water, chirp, fly, sky, wings, atang kanin, hemi tumang hianin sentence ka in donan. Sentence pali pakat patni po ka sentence pakata kanin hang pok. Then let's go to page number 14, 1-4. Are you ready with your pencils? We are going to write this. That boy wearing a pink shirt is not writing, not interested at all. He's only sitting. What's your name? Let me see. Joel Maltin. Get ready with your pencils. Page number 14. We are going to write these rhyming words. Rhyming words to atop lamri danin ang. Okay? And tinan drink kantia pink ink tina atop dan kain ang. Mase athu kha chwa dang de. rhyming ti chuan a top lam a ri kha in ang a spelling chula ai nam lo mai thaya chu wang chuan hei kan sia kang lo in ring ro le get ready. The first one in the blue box is done. Like grow, no, throw. O. Vek in the top. Throw. Katyang khan. Day. Day, be, and the third one will be what? A. Tia top turtho. It is a rhyming word. What will you write in the third? You can write lay. L-A-Y. Day, be, lay. Even if you want, you can write may also. M-A-Y, may. L-A-Y, lay. Pakat zok in zak the. Arik danain ang rhyming words ti chu atop lam ri in ang. Let's go to the third one. Third one, that is think. T-H-I-N-K, think. Like tuan na, think. Ink tia top turani ko mase think and it all along. Since we told you to off your microphone, I cannot I'll not ask you, I'll just keep saying. The rhyming word for think will be pink. Sendang pink. P-I-N-K, pink. Right, pink. And in the same line, ink atop ve tho engin yang drink. Drink. We drink water, isn't it? D-R-I-N-K. Right, drink. Drink. Think, pink, drink. Ka in the top. Ink. Back in the top. That is all rhyming words. Think, pink, drink. Did you all get it? I hope you all got it. Then let's go to the next one. That is funny. F-U-N-N-Y is written there. Funny. Ani. Ti atop kurang ka kanina ito ale doon. Funny. Sunny. Okay, niya sa chatuan. We say sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. Right? S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny. Zualte, right? Sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny. And the third one can be
bunny.
Very good. Bunny. Yes, right. Bunny. B-U-N-N-Y. Bunny. Funny. Bunny. Sunny. Let's go to the next one. That is eat. We eat every day. We eat food. Eat. Eat will be, what will be the next rhyming word for eat? No, rat cannot be because eat and they are rat. They eat. Eat will be meat. M-E-A-T, meat. M-E-A-T, meat. Eat, meat. Ui, nói lòng choan. Nói lòng choan. You get what? Someone beats you, isn't it? Eating. So, meat, did you write M-E-A-T, meat? Third one, right? B-E-A-T, beat. B-E-A-T, beat. Okay, I hope you all have written. So the rhyming words for eat is meat, beat. Okay, B-E-A-T. And let's go to the last one, that is sing. Do you sing songs in the morning as soon as you get up? Huh? Do you want to be a good singer? Yes, some of you like. So, sing. It sounds ing, isn't it? So we have to find the rhyming word for sing. What will be the rhyming word for sing? Anyone can tell me? Just on your microphone and tell me. Sing. Huh? What is the bird having?
Wing.
Wing. Very good. The birds have wings to fly. Wing. Sing. Wing. W-I-N-G. Wing. Then when you go to school at 9, okay, if we start at 8:30, some sound you can hear. What is that? Darari ka ini ka? Huh? What is it? Huh? Tell me. Very good. Ring. Ring. Dari. R-I-N-G. Ring. So the sound for sing, the rhyming words for sing is sing, wing, ring. There are two meanings for ring. R-I-N-G. Ring akan. Ring is kilri. Anya, you know zungbun ring. Do you know ring? Zungbun po. That also we call it as ring. So you can write many more, but here in the book, they are asking us to write only 2 rhyming words. So we are writing only 2. For the first one, let us all read together from the blue rhyming words. Let's start. Are you ready? Look at your textbooks. Let us read together these rhyming words. On your microphone for some time, please. On your microphones. Okay. Ready? Let us read from the blue, from grow. Okay, 1, 2, start. Grow. No, after me. No, after. Grow. Throw. Okay. Grow, no, throw. And then sunny, bunny.
Sunny bunny.
Sing, ring, ring. Okay. Okay. What is the meaning? Let's see page number 14 down. Say aloud. Read it. Right. All of you. Say after me. Think. Say all of you. This. 10. Pin. That. Stop. Three.
Noisy, online.
Door. And 10. Off your microphone. Any noise is coming out. Okay, off your microphones again. Will you begin? So now, you listen carefully. There is still time. I will read the poem on page 11. All of you look at page 11. Bird talk. Go back to page 11. Off your microphones, please. Okay. Go back to page 11. I will read this poem. I have explained to you this poem, and I hope you will understand. Now I will read. Look at your textbooks and see where I am reading. Okay. Bird talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? And so they are laughing at the people. And this poem is written by Eileen Fisher. Okay. And when you, I think you also can compose a poem. Poem po nang mani po nin po. Hey, Eileen Fisher poem. Poem na may po. Nang ni po tungin poem lo po beula sa poem. Okay. You can compose in English. You can compose even in Mizo also. You will be a poetess one day. A great poetess you can be. Poem siak thiam bro pui tak kain la ron ni ve thian in ming khale ka bu ate ron chuang ve nga in ping khan waya in poem sian an waya chuang ve wow me in lar don te me nya ngai to veng fengula poem chumo a rhyming words kan zer ka atop lama ari danin ang zel si thukal kop rual si ang khanin ngai to thiam the don nya. So we are about, the time is almost over. So I'm giving you 2 homeworks in this lesson, in this short, very, very short lesson about bird stop. The first one is 20 birds, okay? Names of 20 birds. Indu tu ka inziak kay amero tu inziak yang ka Google kanin enang alem kalau mo tumro. Aming ringot siya law ko. Oh. Kang ang safa ka ang nge ani katlaw siya tumto. Tamtak chuan crow in siya ma se nge crow po. Ang nge in color nge ni po in siya. So when you write those 20 birds, try to find out their picture, try to know about them. And the second homework is page number 13. Write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. This one, and no. The second one, sorry, is about to draw a bird in a chart paper like kakawakan. Sa valemin siya ka nga, in siya nga amit mutan kan korkilte in bela nga. Chuan class kan lu tay hun hona kan class chunga kan thlo tir turang kan sava moi de lem hen lo siam ton nya mani siam ngai tur nu le pa te siam tir lo tur mani thiam ang siam tur. Okay, do you all understand with that? And learn this rhyming word. Okay, page 14 a rhyming word ka lo thiam vector. Learn that rhyming words. And there is still time. 1 more minute. Page number 8. All of you look at page number 8. Just for a second. Page number 8 kan endless. Name 2 words in each petal which you see in the garden. Pangpar ahyanin 2 insects ka injakem. 2 insects like beetles. You can write ant. Trees, mango tree, guava tree. Flowers, you can write rose, marigold. Tools, tools too, like hoe, H-O-E, hoe. Spade, S-P-A-D-E, shovel, S-H-O-V-E-L, shovel. You have to write only 2. And birds, you can write sparrow, parrot, crow, pigeon. There are many names of birds. Tools, in the tools, I know many of you have problem in the tools. You can write hoe, H-O-E, hoe, and spade, S-P-A-D-E, spade, or shovel, S-H-O-V-E-L. Even knife, if you have written, it's correct. And did you all draw your magic garden? Have you drawn that magic garden on page number 9?
No, miss. I forgot to.
Why did you forget? You have to draw that and color it. Okay. In fiamren turan ilaw so layan textbook lesson te kalaw chiarang so a story te kain law chiaranga spelling harsa daw te kanang manin underline nga spelling tenen in law chiam katang so next class kan lay hun huna Nina and the baby sparrows. Ayan, spelling tip ito. Don't in Lauser to. Okay. The time is up. Bye-bye all of you. See you in the next class. Miss
Bye-bye, Miss.
Miss you all.
Bye-bye, Miss.
Bye-bye,
Okay, okay.
Bye-bye,
Bye-bye.
Miss.
Bye-bye,
Bye-bye.
Miss.
Love you all.
Miss.
Okay, bye-bye.